Before I get to the demo, I would like to say a few words about XML, XSLT, and HTML. How are they related? We know XML hold information, but XML are not really readable to human beings. So XSLT transforms content of XML files to other text-based formats such as HTML. You can also use that to translate XML content into plain text or any other formats. In one way, the resulting documents are more readable to human beings, but more importantly, XSLT allows the separation of information content from its display. The same information content can be displayed in any way as you wish by applying different XSLT style sheets. So this allows the reuse of information content. You don't have to rewrite the information content many times in order to please different audience. The same content can be displayed differently based on your audience needs, that you don't have to rewrite them. With this, and I think this is a really important take-home message. The reason that we want a transformation mechanism to allow XML content be reusable, be really meets the needs of various audience. Okay, now I'm going to switch to my demo. So in this short demo, I wanted to basically give an introduction on how to use the example files, XML files, and style sheet files provided by the book. So first, let's look at this. This is the first example used in chapter 2. Let me open it with a text editor. And let's look at it. It is an XML document. It's a well-formed XML document. It says this XML document has associated style sheet. And the style sheet has the file name of 0203XSL. As you can see, it's this file here. And the content of the XML file is the following: the Asian wonders, and one of the wonders is listed here. I wanted to show you that how this XML document is going to display on a web browser with the style sheet and then without the style sheet. So what we can see here, this is how, if I clicked it on this XML document and it will open it up in a web browser. As you can see, that this display is very different from the text display, the source display. But if you view the source of this HTML-like page, you will see exactly the same content. So what happened behind the scene is really the browser reads this style sheet and it transformed XML document into a HTML display. So you'll see wonders of the world and a nice composition of the name and the location in one sentence. Now let's remove this line. I'll make this line a comment. By making this line a comment, the browser wouldn't read this. So I saved this new file and let's open it again in a browser, and you will see the XML content. Because the browser no longer reads the style sheet, it will display the original XML content for you. So this concludes my first demo for the week. We'll continue with other demos.